about that car. Got a legendary gunner over there.
Got company.
The red guys. It's an alien gun. I'm using an alien gun.
No. Hey, what was it?
Oh, that was a blood bug.
A bug.
Blood bug, it's a bug. It's like a giant mosquito mutated by the nuclear war.
Look alive.
Commonwealth Savings Bank of McCready, open for business.
Should we give Creedy that too? No, I'm getting the baton. Creedy likes the melee weapons for some reason. He's weird. Where's the weapon? I like this weapon Creedy has. Yeah, we'll let him use that. Why not? Alright, we gotta go defend the other one now. Yeah, you can.